Real estate term of the day, non-conforming use. Non-conforming use, there's legal non-conforming, and then there is illegal non-conforming. Legal non-conforming is this. Once upon a time, you had a bunch of single-family homes. Through time, zoning changed the entire area through commercial. However, a lot of the properties were changed to commercial. One guy became a real estate office, another guy became an accounting office, another property became a law firm. You've seen them when you drive, they look like homes, right? They look like homes, but there's something else. It's actually a business because they're not allowed to change the exterior of the property because they don't want to change the aesthetic of the neighborhood. However, what about the person that still wants to consider his house a house? I'm not interested in selling and I'm not interested in converting this to commercial. Well, he gets to stay as a single family, and that is called grandfathered in. Now, there's only so many years that he can do that, but it's usually a very long time. So you shouldn't have anything to worry about. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website.